All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So lecture. 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 To give an educational talk, often at places like universities. Like, it was a big lecture. He gave an important lecture. She always goes to her lectures. He sometimes misses the less useful lectures. Yeah. But I always enjoyed my lectures. They were informative and I learned a lot. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So I have a lecture to give. Every lesson of mine is like a lecture. Yeah, it's like a lecture, telling you information, telling you important things, and teaching English. They will go to my lectures. So I have a lot of lectures tomorrow. A lot of lectures. I'm looking at the schedule and there are a lot of lectures in the week. Yeah. How cool is that? She lectured them about safety. I will give them an important lecture about life. They are always lecturing him. They are always lecturing him. He is lecturing everyone now. So he is lecturing all these people. Lecturing. Yeah. So in this case, that person, he is giving a lecture. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. They will have to wait for my lecture. Now, see, you have to wait for my lecture because it is going to be a while. You have to wait. I am scheduled to give a lecture on Friday at 5 p.m. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? So lecture. Now, can you use lecture in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah, on Udemy. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.